Have you ever wondered why we use these in some cases and those in other cases? Let's dive in this topic. Word these are used with only nearby more things. Word these are used with only nearby more things. On the other hand, those is used for far away many things. Those is used with far away many things. I am repeating it again that these are used with only nearby more things. These are used with only nearby more things. On the other hand, those is used with far away many things. Those is used with far away many things. Let's study this with examples. These are apples. These are apples. These are apples. You can see the apples are nearby. You can see the apples are nearby. That is why these are apples. These are apples. Those are butterflies. Those are butterflies. Those are butterflies. You can see the butterflies are away. That is why those are butterflies. Those are butterflies. Those are butterflies. Those are butterflies. The butterflies are far away. That is why it is those are butterflies. These are grapes. These are grapes. These are grapes. Grapes are nearby. Grapes are nearby. That is why these are grapes. These are grapes. These are grapes. These are grapes. Those are birds. Those are birds. Those are birds. The birds are far away. That is why those are birds. Those are birds. The birds are far away. That is why it is those are birds. Those are birds. These are goats. These are goats. These are goats. You can see the goats are nearby. That is why it is these are goats. These are goats. These are goats. These are goats. The goats are nearby. These are goats. Those are ducks. Those are ducks. Those are ducks. Those are ducks. You can see the ducks are far away. That is why those are ducks. Those are ducks. Those are ducks.